Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to start by introducing you to two people. Meet Sarang Joshi. He's a catering college graduate and he's been working at Cafe Coffee Day, a coffee shop, for the last 2 years. He dreams of owning a food truck business. But unfortunately, he doesn't have the cash, nor does he have the support or guidance to figure out where to start and how to get there. Now meet Priyanka Mani. She has a degree in nursing. She's been working at Sassoon Hospital since 2011 and has a dream of having her own home service bureau for the elderly. But she's too intimidated by all the processes and the registrations that would be required for her to run a compliant and honest business. She also needs guidance to help her figure out how to get access to customers, as well as how to build up the credibility that would be required for home service. There's not one, not two, but thousands of such Sarang Joshis and Priyanka Maris who are waiting to run their own businesses. And they are the real job creators for our youth. These job creators are really the need of the hour. So if you look at it, do the calculations, and you'll find that there is a person joining the workforce every 2.5 seconds. With those calculations, we need to create more than 1 million jobs every month. That's our focus. The Astra Foundation focuses on helping job creators like Sarang Joshi and Priyanka Mari be successful. Our mission is to help enable 25,000 job creators or entrepreneurs and thereby create 100,000 or 1 lakh jobs by 2010. The Astra Foundation is founded by Dr. Anand Deshpande of Persistent Systems and his family as their social venture, as their way of giving back to society. Now, how do we do this? So the Astra Foundation, as the Astra Foundation, we've come up with various innovative solutions to help entrepreneurs to move them across all business stages, right from their idea right through to execution. So let's look at the first thing, the business in a box. There is a lot of information out there that applies in general to all businesses, but it's rather difficult to figure out what applies to your particular business. So what we've done is we've picked up a business and we've created templates or a business model guide for each business that we've picked, which contains information for that business as well as step-by-step instructions for the typical 6 stages that we see for any business, but for that business style. So right from how do you plan that business to how, what kind of registrations are required, what are the funding requirements, what would you require to set up that particular business, and right through all the way to execution. This business model template also contains all the forms, the documents, the processes, everything that's required for that business, all under one roof, all in that one template. The idea is the following. So if we research and build 250 business models, and for each of these business models, we are able to enable 100 entrepreneurs, then automatically through the template approach, we will get 250 into 100, which is 25,000 businesses, which is what we are trying to enable. Now, if each of these businesses that we choose are those that are in demand and that employ anywhere between 2 to 10 employees, then very quickly we see the scaling factor as well, where 25,000 businesses and say an average of 4 employees per business, you get your 100,000 or 1 lakh jobs that we want to create by 2010. These business in a boxes are available online on our site, theastra.in. Theastra.in has been created in such a way that it is an entrepreneur's portal. So entrepreneurs can come there, there is a discussion forum there, there is a blog. So anything that an entrepreneur wants or in terms of information or wants to interact with other entrepreneurs, he can do on our site. Another key concept is that of an Udyog Mitra. The Udyog Mitra is on the Astra's rolls. He is a full-time employee of the Astra and his sole responsibility is to help and guide the entrepreneur that he or she is assigned to through all of the stages, right from planning to creating the project report to facilitating funding for that entrepreneur, right through to execution. One of the key aspects is that the Astra will work with the entrepreneur through execution till the time that the business is successful. And by that we mean that the business is posting profits, the loans are getting repaid for a minimum of 6 months on an ongoing basis. That's the only time that we will let go. In that period of time, we will take all sorts of corrective actions. If things are not going well, we'll make sure that the business health is maintained. In order to create the awareness and to promote entrepreneurship, we've started a monthly magazine, the Yashasvi Udyojak. This has news, advice, updates, anything around the entrepreneur's ecosystem that the entrepreneur would be interested in listening to, in getting information about. So, we know we've taken on an impossible task. We launched earlier this year and already we've talked to thousands of aspiring entrepreneurs. We're engaged now with more than 150 entrepreneurs in various stages of their business. We do have a process by which we do candidate selection, so we've been approached by the thousands and we've selected amongst them, and therefore we are working with the 150. We've already got 15 entrepreneurs up and running and their businesses are successful. So all that to say that we've taken on a big mission, but as Nelson Mandela said, it always seems impossible until it's done, and we're committed to getting it done. Where we require your support is really the resources that are required to identify and reach out to these aspiring entrepreneurs so that we can help and guide them to success. Their success is really our success. Thank you.